everybody, it's Hussein Kabani, your favorite broker. Don't worry, I'm not gonna pitch you on buying and selling real estate today. Just a little bit of maintenance, okay? So we've got Adel out here from Air Force Duct Cleaning, and we're gonna show you how we're gonna clean out a gas furnace system and a high velocity system. Is that right?
Absolutely.
Awesome, let's do it. All right, guys, so as I explained earlier, this house actually has two different kinds of systems. So right now, what Adel is gonna explain to us is the high velocity system. Has a completely different cleaning method, I guess?
Yes.
All right, let us know.
Thank you, Hussein. So the high velocity system you can see here, it's coming more and more popular, but it's mostly common on a stacked townhouses. It's used for lower cost and many things. The biggest challenge when it's come to cleaning, that we don't have that heavy duty trunks coming out of the furnace where we connect our powerful vacuum and push all the dust into the vacuum before the furnace. That's one challenge. The other challenge, which is the most challenging part of it, is that the vents actually are the air supply vents. It's the round plastic ones, and behind these is a paper thin vent ducting. It's not an actual ducting this heavy duty. It's going in there with a paper thin. So if we connect our vacuum here, we use the air pressure to push the dust from that vent into the ducting, into our vacuum. It could blow off these and tear off these paper thin ducting. So for high velocity system, we're very limited to the cleaning power and what we could do as a professional air duct cleaners. For the most part, every house is different, every setup is different, but the most common thread is we go to each of these vents and we manually shop vacuums one by one. And which is something as a homeowner, to be honest, you could do. You don't need a professional duct cleaner for that part. The value we can add is when there's a cold air return, the intake, and it's a vent like this one's over here. This is actually where 80% of the dust is accumulating, because this is gonna suck up all the stale air, the dust, the dog hair, everything in the house into it, and it's gonna build up, it's gonna go through the ducting, the trunks into before the furnace where your filter is. That's where you could use a professional duct cleaner, even in the high velocity system, where we could do different things. Ideally, we would hook up our vacuum to the cold air return trunks, which you see here to the left before the filter, creating a negative air pressure through our vacuum, and we go into this vent and we blow and we push the dust from it into the vacuum. There will be scenario where we can do that, we reverse it, where we actually put our vacuum into the return and reverse everything back to it. So every house is different. The high velocity is a challenging, if it is on the top floor versus the basements. This is something we can address on a case-by-case scenario, but I just want to point out is make sure you do not have someone coming in not knowing that this little round plastic one behind it is a paper thin ducting. If they start using high pressure and they don't know what's going on and they're pushing the dust into the other side, you're gonna have the ripped ducting there, paper thin, and now you're gonna have to cut the drywalls and to move the drywalls out and start patching all these issues. That's the biggest things I wanna advise. Be very careful with the filters. High velocity does require you to actually change the filter even more regularly than the regular furnace, even though I advise once a month for the regular high gas furnace. For this one, minimum once a month. Check it out, see what it is, and regularly change it as needed.
Adel, thank you so much, man, for taking the time and doing this video with us. Guys, if you guys have any questions about duct cleaning, this is your guy, Adel, Air Force Duct Cleaning. His website is gonna be on the screen, and I encourage you guys to reach out to him for your health and your home's health. Until next time, guys, remember one thing, get Kabani, get sold.
Sell it, sell it, sell it, sell it, sold. Sell it, sell it, sell it, sell it, sold. Sell it, sell it, sell it, sell it, sold. Sell it, sell it, sell it, sell it, sold.